Braceway is a medical device company who develops the deep TMS technology, deep transcranial magnetic stimulation, which is the first time in the neuroscience field where there is a technology that could influence and regulate the electrical activity in deep structures in the brain non-invasively, with no anesthesia, and it's a non-systemic way. And it's based on a development that was developed by Professor Abraham Zangen and Dr. Iftach Roth for using the existing TMS technology to be able to penetrate the deep structures of the brain and treat brain disorders in the fields of psychiatry and neurology. And Braceway got the FDA approval for treating major depression in 2013, and since then is obviously focused on the commercialization of the depression treatment, but on the same time is eyeing a lot of research and collaboration over developing new treatments with different fields of psychiatry and neurology.